Chapter 5 Minibeasts. Many minibeasts, like moths and spiders, come out at night. Minibeasts come out at night because there are not so many predators that hunt and eat them. Slugs and snails look for food at night because the sun can dry them out in the day. Moths are insects. They have a body that's good for living at night. They have special antennae on their head. These help them to look for food and to find their way in the dark. Moths also have patterns on their wings that help them to hide in trees in the day. Tarantulas are spiders. They hunt for their prey at night. Special hairs on their body help them to feel when another animal is near. They hide, and then they jump on their prey and put poison in its body.
Discover!
Nocturnal fireflies make lights in their body that turn on and off at night. They use these lights to communicate.